Hello students, today we are going to discuss short questions of chapter 4, which is work and energy. So let's start. A person holds a bag of groceries while standing still talking to a friend. A car is stationary with the engine running. From the standpoint of work, however, these two situations are similar. The two situations are similar in the sense that in both cases the work is zero because displacement equals to zero. Calculate the work done in kilojoules in lifting a mass of 100 kg through a vertical height of 10 meter. The work done can be calculated as a force F acts through a distance L. The force is then increased to 3F and then acts through a further distance of 2L. Draw the work diagram to the scale. The work diagram can be drawn as, and the total work also can be given as. In which case is more work done, when a 50 kg bag of books is lifted through 50 cm or when a 50 kg crate is pushed through 2 meter across the floor with a force of 50 Newton. In first case, the more work is done, and this can be proved as an object has 1 joule of potential energy. Explain what does it mean. It means that work is done by a force of 1 Newton which has lifted the object through a height of 1 meter. When a rocketry enters the atmosphere, its nose cone becomes very hot. Where does this heat energy come from? The atmosphere of Earth contains dust particles, gas molecules, and water vapors. When rocket enters into the atmosphere and passes through these particles, the kinetic energy of the rocket lost in the form of heat. That is why its nose cone becomes very hot. What sort of energy is in the following? Compressed spring has elastic potential energy. Water in a high dam. Water in a high dam has gravitational potential energy. A moving car. A moving car has kinetic energy. A girl drops a cup from a certain height which breaks into pieces. What energy changes are involved? When the cup is at a certain height, it has gravitational potential energy. When the girl drops the cup, the gravitational potential energy converts into kinetic energy. When the cup strikes with the ground, this kinetic energy converts into sound and heat energy, and some work is done to break the cup into pieces. A boy uses a catapult to throw a stone which accidentally smashes a greenhouse window. List the possible energy changes. Initially, the catapult has elastic potential energy. When he throws the stone, elastic potential energy changes into kinetic energy of the stone. When the stone strikes with the glass window, kinetic energy of the stone changes into heat and sound, and some work is done to break the window into pieces. So students, hopefully you have understood all the short questions. If any one of you have issue, you can ask us in the comment box. And if you like my video, then share it, subscribe my YouTube channel and like it. We will upload short questions of next chapter soon.